All right, guys, we're back with another install. We got these GM Coil-On-Plug kit. Comes with a set of 8 and the harness part number 88867. It's the LS power harness. Basically, it provides additional power to these coils because sometimes you'll get a check engine light. The coils on this LS1 C5 Corvette are getting quite old. It's coming on 20 years of the OEM ones. So we've replaced 6 of them so far. They're fairly easy to replace. Stock replacements here. We'll go ahead and show you which ones are the hardest. All right, this is the passenger side. The front 3, easy affair, bolt on and off. That back one's gonna be a little tight. Probably have to get a wrench down there, but you'll be able to get it off fairly easy. On the driver's side, it's the exact opposite. The back 3 are easy to get to, no problem. The front one, you'll have to use a wrench. So it's 10mm 3/8 drive socket and a 10mm wrench. You should be able to swap all these out in less than 30 minutes. All right, it was a pretty easy install, not too bad. The only thing was that bolt right there behind the alternator. You just gotta get a wrench back there, and the one back there, you gotta get a wrench for it. Other than that, they swap right on. The idle seems about the same, didn't really change anything. We're gonna add the power harness that goes between that connector and the other connector over there, and then goes to a relay and a battery. All right, per the instructions, it does say that the superconductor 8.5mm spark plug wires are recommended. We do have those on there. And the high voltage supply harness 88867. There it is. It looks pretty straightforward. Just splices in between with OEM connectors on both sides. The only connection you have to do is a fuse between this and the positive side of the battery. So we're gonna get it hooked up and see how it runs. All right, it's a fairly easy install. We ran the orange wire to the positive. Nut right there, it's 10mm. Try and get that off to show you. There you go. So it's already there with the vehicle. Easy. That clips right back on. We just have the extra cable looped and zip tied hanging down there. No big deal. Jumper harness connects in. We just tucked everything underneath. Wrapped up the excess there. We double-sided taped that relay up out of the way so that it's not next to any serious heat sources or anything like that. Because you definitely don't want this thing getting too hot as it's a relay. But we'll keep that up out of the way. And then over here as well, we did the same thing. Put the jumper in, just ran it around back, small zip tie around the back there. No issues. So we're gonna start it up and see how it idles. All right, we're gonna fire it up. Idle seems pretty steady. No check engine light, so that's good. It feels a tad bit smoother, but nothing to cry home about. Rev's good, the recovery is good. Doesn't bounce too much at idle. We'll report back with fuel mileage and everything in the future. Hope this helps. Thanks for watching.